Hi everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. So today we're gonna crochet together the letter A. Without further ado, we'll start with a cotton yarn and 3mm crochet hook. I'm gonna chain 5. In the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet in every chain, and in the last chain I'm gonna do 2 single crochet again. So 2 single crochet in the beginning, 2 single crochet in at the end. For row 2 I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch, 2 single crochet in the last stitch. So I'm gonna repeat row 2 for 3, 4 and 5. So row 2, 3, 4 and 5 are gonna be the same. Going into row 6, I'm gonna chain 1 and 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 7 stitches. So from this point I will turn and I will make the first panel of the letter. So in row 7 I'm gonna chain 1 single crochet in every stitch, and I'm gonna repeat row 7 till row 14, making the same, chain 1 single crochet in every stitch from row 7 to row 14. Now that I'm done with the first side, I'm gonna fasten off and start again in the other side or in the parallel side. So I'm gonna join my yarn and repeat again, chain 1 single crochet in every stitch, 2 single crochet in the last stitch. So starting from the middle, row 7 again to 14, I'm gonna repeat chain 1 single crochet in every stitch. So now that I reach row 14, what I'm gonna do is chain 1 for row 15 and make one single crochet in every stitch. And now to join to the other side, I'm gonna chain 7. You can chain from 5 to 7, is up to you. 5 makes it tight, 7 makes it a bit loose, like you'll see at the end. So you chain 5 and then you join to the other side and you continue single crochet till the end. For row 16 to 18, so 16, 17, 18, you're gonna chain 1 single crochet in every stitch including the chain for total of 3 rows. So 3 rows of chain 1 single crochet in every stitch. Now again we're gonna have to work one side first, then the other side. So from row 19 to 31, I'm gonna chain 1 single crochet in every stitch for the next 12 stitches. And then I'm gonna turn and repeat again, chain 1 single crochet in every stitch for the next 12 stitches until row 34. There I'm gonna fasten off and start the other side, making exactly the same. So I'm gonna chain 1 single crochet in the first stitch and single crochet in the next 12 stitches and repeat until row 34, and then you can fasten off and the letter is ready. You can make another one and make it like a pillow or a keychain, or you can make whatever project you like. It depends how big or small you want it. You chain from the beginning accordingly. So one thing we need to clarify, I have done 2 A's with the same number of chain. That's because on the sides, when we start in the beginning of the work, we said that chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. That's how you get a bigger A. If you wanted a smaller one, then the 2 single crochet will be only in one side. For example, if row 2, I start with chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch and single crochet in every stitch till the end, I'm not gonna do 2 single crochet, I'll keep it only 1, and starting of the next row will be 2 single crochet. So only starting of the rows you make 2 single crochet in the beginning, so you get a smaller A like the white one. So I hope this tutorial is clear and easy to follow. Let me know your thoughts, or if you have any questions. Check the written pattern as well to make it easier to achieve. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.